Hello, I'm Councillor Sam Rowlands. I'm the leader of Conwy County Borough Council. I just want to provide you with another brief update as to some of the work that we're carrying out at this time of the coronavirus pandemic. You will know that we've talked about the work of the single point of contact, the telephone number system that we've set up to support those people in our community who need additional help at this time. I want to let you know that we've been able to so far help over 250 people in our community with some basic day-to-day support with things like shopping, delivery of medicines, and just with a conversation with some who may be feeling particularly isolated at this time. So I want to say a thank you to the volunteers that helped out with that work, and a thank you to our staff who are working really hard behind the scenes to make that happen. The second area of update is in relation to our schools. You'll know that this week our schools open their doors to support the children of key workers in our community. I'll say a thank you to all those teachers and those school staff who are out there at the moment supporting those children to allow key workers in the NHS, in social care, in other areas to go about the job that they are doing so well as well at the moment. That support is going to continue for the foreseeable future. As of next week, that support will be available 7 days a week. So again, thank you to the schools for really stepping up in this and really being willing to provide that support at this vital time. The third area of update for you is in relation to all of our other staff who would ordinarily be doing work in areas that we have now stopped doing. So things like libraries, in leisure centres, in places like Venue Cymru, where we've had to stop those services at this time. I want to let you know that we've had an incredible response from those staff in terms of them volunteering to go and do work that is more critical at this time. Hundreds have come forward willing to support other areas of work, such as in social care, such as in things like refuse collection, and really humbled as to the way in which all of our people in all communities are really wanting to make a difference at this time. So be assured that our staff, our communities, our volunteers are all working really hard together to provide the best possible service during this very difficult time. Finally, I want to say thank you to all our residents throughout Conwy who have heeded the advice of government really well. That's making a huge difference to reduce the spread of the virus in our communities. So thank you for heeding that advice. I appreciate this is not an easy time for anybody, and thank you for your patience in terms of dealing with new information that comes out. We've got an incredible community here in Conwy, and I've never been prouder to live in this area. So thank you to everyone for all you're doing, and I'll keep providing updates as and when I can. Thank you again.